Warren Buffett is worth around $150 billion, and almost none of it existed before his 50th birthday. About 99% of his fortune was built after 50, the age most people are counting down to retirement. So how do you make 99% of your money in the back half of your life? The answer is a boring-sounding idea called compound interest, and it is the closest thing money has to a superpower. Here is the whole thing in one sentence. Your money earns money, and then that money earns money too. Picture a snowball at the top of a hill. When you first push it, it barely grows, because it can only pick up a tiny bit of snow. But the bigger it gets, the more snow it grabs on every single roll. Your money works exactly the same way. In year 1 you earn a little, but by year 40 you are earning returns on 40 years of previous returns. And here is the catch that fools almost everyone. The snowball does most of its growing near the bottom of the hill. That is why Buffett's chart looks flat for decades and then suddenly goes vertical. Let's actually watch this happen, and let's start with Buffett himself. This is his net worth, plotted against his age. Look how it clings to the floor through his 20s, 30s, and 40s. He hit his first million around 30, but he did not become a billionaire until 56. And then watch what happens after 50, the line stops crawling and starts climbing almost straight up. Same man, same patient strategy, the only new ingredient was time. Now here is the part that matters for you, because you do not need to be Warren Buffett to get this shape. This is a single dollar left in the American stock market since 1950, with dividends reinvested. For years it barely lifts off the ground, and that is the boring part everyone quits during. Then it bends, and then it goes nearly vertical, ending at roughly $4,600 from that $1. Over the long run the market has returned around 10% a year. Some years terrifyingly down, some years way up, but averaged out about 10. That flat, then rocket shape is compounding. The exact same curve as Buffett's fortune, just with smaller numbers. Okay, the part that should actually change what you do this week. Meet Maya and Noah. They each invest $200 a month, and they each earn that same roughly 10% a year. The only difference is that Maya starts at 25 and Noah waits until 35. Not a lit. 1 decade. You would guess Noah ends up a bit behind, maybe 20 or 30% less. Not even close. By 6 to 5, Maya has about $1.26 million, and Noah has about $452,000. Noah didn't fall behind by a decade of contributions. He fell behind by about $813,000. Because Maya's early dollars had the most time to snowball. This is the Buffett lesson in miniature. The dollar. So here is the whole video in one sentence. Compound interest means your money earns money, and the earlier you start, the more absurd the snowball gets. It is time, not genius, doing the work. Buffett said it himself. The biggest thing about making money is time. You do not need his brain or his billions. You need to start, and then be patient enough to sit through the boring flat part. And a quick reminder, this is education, not financial advice. Past returns never promise future ones. Next time, we look at why your money can shrink even when you never spend a cent. Inflation, with 100 years of real data. Subscribe so the snowball finds you.